Scapular notching. This is typical finding of scapular notching in between medial edge of humerus and lateral inferior margin of scapula after the reversible arthroplasty. Reconstructed 3D image also reveal impingement in between medial margin of humerus and lateral margin of scapula. As you can see here, in between scapular and humeral implant produce impingement in between each component. In those patients, reveal significant limitation of motion, especially adduction or some kind of rotational range.